One last story on the privacy surge and customers gravitating towards more privacy now and into the future. Here we have a record-setting day for DuckDuckGo, the search engine that people always get mad at me because I don't consider it. Because I always say, where are you going to go besides Google? I always say, are people really using Bing? And then people get very upset with me and they say, DuckDuckGo! They shout that to me in the street when I drive past.
Yeah, must be very terrifying.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm like, DuckDuckGo. Do I need to duck? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because maybe something's coming. Duck Hunt, Nintendo. Anyway, DuckDuckGo has seen its very own surge as privacy becomes a thing that people are thinking about. It served 102,251,307 search queries on January 11th, breaking its past 100 million query milestone for the very first time. Congrats to DuckDuckGo.
Good job.
Now, I want to let you know, Will, that's kind of a minor number if you were to compare it to Google. You want to take a shot at how many searches Google serves per day?
Per day?
Oh, it's around 5 billion.
Oh.
5 billion versus 100 million. So, yeah, not exactly in the same space yet, but interesting nonetheless, and certainly moving in a competitive direction. Now, I'm just going to round it out for you as far as the various other search options that exist. Bing accounts for 6.45% of searches. That's Google's closest competitor. Google, by the way, 87.81% of searches happen through Google. Yahoo is still kicking. 3.05%. And DuckDuckGo is now sitting there with 2.3. If they continue at this pace, they're about to pass by Yahoo and maybe even catch Bing.
Yeah. Interesting. I'm looking at this dip here from Google. It's the same increase from Yahoo at the time.
Look at you.
I wonder why.
Are you reading charts right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a serious show. Congrats, DuckDuckGo.
Very cool.